This video demonstrates how Android users cast Pluto TV videos for passengers while driving Tesla. Our previous video has introduced how to get prepared. When preparation is done, we can play Pluto TV videos via Chrome web browser. Note that we should open Pluto TV website as a desktop site. Choose the video we want to play. Now we start driving. As what you have seen, TeslaDisplay app can cast Pluto TV videos for passengers while you are driving Tesla. If you like this app, you can download the app in Google Play.